Hello, friends. Today, Independence Day is coming closely. Uh, the British was ruling India. What they have come to India, what the thoughts and running their mind. I want to come to India to do a business. Silk, cotton, and tea. The strategy was that I was just doing the business. But suddenly they comes to India and they have started the business, and one day, the time, they was not only doing the business, they have started they have started their rule, how they was ruling in the worst category, to hunting the people. They was the people were really in all over India, not only in Maharashtra, all over India, in all states. They were started ruling. They were hitting the people. They were punishing the people. And what the happening? And our freedom fighters then which comes. There are a lot of freedom fighters. They came. They want, no, now it's enough. They have started doing this is not right. Then they started taking action. And suddenly, Rabindranath Tagore is there, all the freedom fighters. They came together and they told, now it's enough. You have to get lost from India. But they were not listening for everyone. They were just started what they want. But our Indian was not that time of growth of India, because people are not in technology is not there. So, but one day, but still India was forward with the thoughts, which you say is in education. The practical knowledge was the most. Our Indian people know how to face this. And there are a lot of people who are freedom fighters. One is Rabindranath Tagore. A lot of them. I have just taken one name. These people are really have done a great job. In 1947, this is really told, I want to leave the country of India. I want to not stay in India. They suddenly has taken the stand. And this was just a proud moment of India to celebrate the Independence Day. But not the reason why I'm doing. You know the history have learned in 5-6 standard. This is why I was explaining. Important is practical. See the practical. People say that why you are doing the business. This was the most. What we say? This was the most India has got for a business. Remember, tell you. Remember me, if you know. India has won for a business. So in that way, there are a lot of businesses there. These three business, the 3 points of business, they have come to India and they started ruling. But in a good way, in a good sense, if you do the business, which kind of business? Now India has has lots. India has grown with a lot of technologies. You can go for hotel is there, hostel rent, and hostel rent, car business. There are all categories of businesses that are available. And you have to be a practical. Out of the book, what goes on? And in book, when the book is closed, your life starts. But you don't know what is Gujarat, how is Himachal, how the 30 states, how. When you explore and what the mindset of that state is, If you don't know as a practical, then it's a zero. You are a zero in this world. Today, some people are just leaving our country. They are just going America, Thailand, other countries, Australia. The Britain comes to India. They didn't go any other country. They have just captured India, and not to, and what they have taken from India? Koh-i-Noor diamond, which was very expensive for India. India is a powerful country. I told you, India and God has says here. After a sea, behind the sea, there are a lot of countries are there. Just take the name of Jai Shri Ram. Narayan, Narayan. This is the one. And second thing, Raj Thakre has also told you. They just do Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna. Because they also know the power of India, the power of God. And this is the man, when it comes to the business, we have to be a practical. We have to be, what I have, the good points. I will never bother anyone. I will force my parents to support me. And what I am doing, the business, if I am going in the right way. After the freedom, after we got in 1947, freedom, still now we are confused what to do. India has got a freedom, but still the students haven't got a freedom. They are fighting for justice right now, still now 2026. Why? Because you don't know what to do exactly, and your parents are also confused. Because in that generation, they told education was very important. Education is important, I know. But now everything has changed. If the child wants to play the cricket, then he will think about the cricket. If anyone wants to do a business, then he will think about what the business I have to do. If the child want to grow as for a painting, so he will think like a painting. He will study hard about painting. If anyone wants to do in photography, then let study hard for photography. But if you are really interested for law, there are a lot of colleges there. But in this field, in acting, modeling is there. They don't have still classes. But the children are still there. I just want to tell you this. Your freedom, your right, your thoughts. If you are really proving yourself that I want to grow history in other field, no one has want to stop you. And I request your parents also, don't put the pressure burden on students. Let them do what they want. Their career, their thoughts, already what they have, just look at their weakness and strongness and let them work on it. Because right now, degree is nothing important. How the practical knowledge is very important. The practical things and the practical thoughts, it's grow your life. Books is never create your life. Let me clear one thing to you. This time is 2026. In UK, in your other country, you see, I seen lot of videos, few videos. What they do, they just carry one laptop and they work on skills. If you want to be an engineer, they directly give that lectures, practical. Science you have seen, it's a practical. How to do operations. In the same way, the practical knowledge in other field, there is like, if you want to do painting, you can be a master's in painting. If you sell the one painting, it's around 30 to 40,000, starting price. So this is the practical. We have to be practical. Practical knowledge is most important because this generation don't know exactly what to do. Still they are confused. In 2026, still we have got a freedom from British. This is the way. This is how you have to deal yourself. If I am dealing with my career, I will do in a proper way and with a proper guide. Because I am telling you this. I am telling you this because you know why? We have a doctor's paper hassling, the students are going for protest, they want justice. Are it 26 in 2026 you are going for justice? After the freedom? You know why? India has got freedom, but in that case, the students has got a freedom still. इंडिया आजाद हो गया लेकिन स्टूडेंट आजाद नहीं हुआ है. Till the president's pressure burden, are yaar, you want to be doctor, you get 99% marks. Are he can't be a doctor, but he can go in other field. Let's see now his weakness and his strongness, which is capable for it, and let him work hard on it. I hope he will succeed. And people I want to tell, never see the degree. See his communication skills and how he is capable for another field. Degree is nothing comes in life, but the real practical knowledge grows your life. The British also has come here, not for they wants to grow. What their thoughts was, I just want to do a business. And that mind it's running that mind. And they came to India. And what they want to do, exactly they want to do a business. See this, their mindset. And they were ruling in that way. So in India, we don't have that time military, everything. Then also India hasn't stopped themselves. They are still fighting with them. So see how Indian people are. They was fighting with the British because they have practical knowledge. They didn't study at that time. But Rabindranath Tagore, there are a lot of freedom fighters. One name. The name Rabindranath Tagore is there. Ashfaqullah Khan, Rajguru, Bhagat Singh. What they tell? मैं फांसी पे जाऊंगा. They have any degree that time? No. But still they were fighting with them. So see, the practical knowledge is very important. Be practical life. See the adventure, how we can deal, how we will grow. This is the best moment to be the practical, think practical, and work on practical. And what you have the talent now, present in front of the world, without any negative thoughts in mind. That's what I want to say. Thank you so much.